In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock position only in Canva. This quick feature is perfect when you want to keep an element exactly where it is on your canvas, so it can't be nudged or dragged by accident while still letting you tweak its appearance. Think of it as a safety pin for layout, not a full lock on the element. Start by opening your Canva project and navigating to the design where you're working. Click once on the element you want to protect. This could be a logo, a background shape, a photo, or any graphic that you don't want to shift out of place while you edit other parts of the design. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. Now, right-click directly on that selected element to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Lock. You'll see an option labeled Lock Position Only. Click that, and you're done. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Alt plus Shift plus L to get the same result in one move. On some keyboards, the shortcut might be labeled slightly differently, but the idea is the same. It locks the position without fully locking the element. Here's what happens after you lock position only. The element can no longer be moved or resized, so accidental drags are out of the picture. That means your layout stays consistent, which is especially helpful for fixed items like headers, watermarks, or guides you've intentionally placed. At the same time, you can still click the element to adjust its settings. You can change things like color, filters, effects, transparency, or even swap images within frames, depending on the element type. You're free to refine the look without disturbing the layout. If you don't see the lock option, make sure you've actually selected the element and not an empty area or a grouped selection that you don't intend to modify. It also helps to zoom in a bit if you're working with small or overlapping elements so you can confidently right-click the correct one. A few practical tips as you use this feature. Locking position only is fantastic for templates and collaborative projects because it prevents accidental shifts while still letting teammates make stylistic changes. It's also great when you're aligning multiple elements to a grid and want to protect key anchors before fine-tuning the rest of the design. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, select the element, right-click to lock, choose lock position only, or use the Alt plus Shift plus L shortcut. Simple, precise, and a real time saver.